Okay, so we have this expression here, and it says simplify fully. So we have 2x cubed y, so to the 5. Is that better? Yeah. So we have 2x cubed y to the 5, and so basically we just have to put this as simply. This is the same as 2 to the 5 times x to the 15 times y to the 5, which is the same as 32 x to the 15 y to the 5. Again, like, this is just simple application of the laws of indices. I've mentioned them before, and if you're not familiar with them, Google it or look in a textbook. So, and then we're given this one here. We're asked to simplify this. If you look at it, hang on, it's better in focus. So we have x squared minus 4x on top, and we have x squared minus 6x plus 8 on the bottom. Okay, let's factorise the bottom one first. Draw our table x, and we're gonna have to have minus 2 and minus 4 here, because then we get minus 4x here and minus 2x here, x squared, and then 8. This table format I've used for many years. I got taught by my teacher. Basically, you want to try and put numbers and terms in here, so that you get whatever's in here. The sum of all of this is equal to whatever you're trying to get. Like in this case, it's x squared minus 6x plus 8. And can you see this is how it's going to work? Because when we get x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 8, that's x squared minus 6x plus 8. So we then get that's the same as x squared minus 4x, and then we get x minus 2, x minus 4. But can you see on the top we can also take out a factor of x? So we get x, and then we get x minus 4, then we get x minus 2 and x minus 4, and so the final answer is x and 2 minus x. If you wanted me to break it down, because we can see that x is in both x squared and 4x, so we can take a factor of x out, and so what times x makes x squared is x, and what times x makes minus 4x is minus 4. And because we have minus 4x on the top and minus 4x on the bottom, and they're both in a product, we can just cancel straight away. So that's our desired answer, x and then x over x minus 2. An important point to note is that if, let's say, you've got to this stage, you're not unsure whether it's the right answer, because essentially what you're saying is now is, this is the same as x over 2 minus x, because this is a simplified version. So for example, let's say we take the number 3. If we plug 3 into here, this should be the same as if we plug 3 into there. So let's plug 3 in. We get 9 minus 12 divided by, so we're going to get 9 minus 16, no, 3 we put in, so we get 9 minus 18 plus 8. So if we put it in the right hand side, we get 3, and if we put it in the left hand side, we get 3 divided by 3 minus 2, which is again 3. So we know that we've simplified it correctly.